I'm Corbin with Quiett Scapes. We get a lot of questions about driveways and what kind of stones do we have as an option for paver driveways. And right here I'm going to show you a permeable option. This is a newer stone. It's been out for about 2 or 3 years. We did this project about 1.5 years ago, so we were coming to check it out and wanted to take this as an opportunity to show you guys how these driveways hold up and how exactly these driveways work. So right here we've got a Belgard Aqualine. This is gray granite. It's laid in a herringbone pattern, as you can tell, with the chevron style. That's going to be the strongest paver pattern that you can lay for a driveway. It just helps everything to lock together and hold up for all the traffic. This customer runs a business out of their home, so they have a lot of Amazon trucks and UPS deliveries and stuff coming here. And as you can see, the driveway has no problem holding up to that heavy traffic. In between the cracks, we use a product that's called 89. It's rock, that's the size of it. That's what helps make everything permeable and perk. And then underneath here has drain pipes that lead up to his dry creek riverbeds, and that's how the water, once this driveway captures it and fills up, it goes out through this and then drains in a leach field over there towards the neighbor's house and the property line. Completely eradicates all the water problems, and this is working for them really well. So what this customer is doing, they have such a long driveway, so as the sections crack and break, we're going to replace those and continue this permeable driveway. So we're back up here on this top section of the driveway, so I can show you guys with this water hose how this driveway just eats up all the water and gets rid of all that water mitigation problem for you. So I'll lay this down here and let it run off of the concrete. And as you can see, that's running down off the concrete, emulating as if this was a river, because they have a lot of water being on top of this hill that comes rushing down. Now it hits these pavers, and as it runs down, it falls between all the cracks, and then when it gets down here, that's all the further it's able to make it. That section's still dry. So it's eating everything up inside these cracks right here, where the 89 is. That goes into a drain pipe that's put underneath of here, and again, gets added to the Dry Creek riverbed, so it can run down, not create any issues, and drain out there by the street. So a great option for residential driveways or patios or anything like that where you have a lot of water problems and you want to dress that area up. Where this comes in handy is for all the commercial guys. If you need to extend your parking lots for a wedding venue or any commercial complex, but the county is holding you up, telling you, hey, you cannot have any more non-permeable surfaces. This is a permeable surface. So you can extend your parking lots, you can have clean parking on the wedding venues out in the country, in the woods, and still get away with being to code by having a permeable surface. So this is a great option right here. There's 2 different paver options that you can get through Belgard. This is just one of the most popular because it's got that chevron pattern. Everybody tends to really like that. So if you're interested in a permeable paver project for your property, residential or commercial, give us a call, 678-824-2234, or visit our website at quietscapes.com. Check out our videos on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to see more projects like this, to get familiar with our products, and maybe you'll see something that you would like to see in your landscape. Till next time, we'll see you guys later.